have carried these silks, black with the white spots, white cap, and she wears cheek pieces as well. Ross Orion for Rafe Beckett. Pretty consistent filly, like a lot. Here's another grey. That's Raintown. As the reins just ease off a touch. And Rob Hornby's in the saddle for Stanmore. Caroline Instone owns this one with the trainer. Won here 6 times, Raintown. And then Charlie's Choice, Luke Morris for Dave Simcock, Mr. Buckingham's colours. Pink and blue check, pink sleeves and the checked cap. Charlie's Choice, 5-time all-weather winner. So they're heading down to the 1.5 mile start then at the entrance to the home straight. Our race, the Midnite, are up in the betting game handicap. Due off at 2 o'clock, race number 6 here. Well, interesting to see. Neil Callan's just topped off Ludo's Landing. Looks as though they're going to go and put him in, reverse him in Ludo's Landing. Neil climbing the framework to get ready. This wasn't allowed at one time. It is these days, though, fortunately. So Ludo's Landing is in, and there's a stalls handler in with him as well. Ocean Heights goes forward. Like a Lot is in. Going in quickly, Charlie's Choice, Kimiko Glory and Raintown. 7 runners ready. And off and racing. A nice even break as well to this Midnite Class 4 handicap over 1.5 miles. Vice President, slight change of tactics for him. He's normally ridden fairly quietly. He's out in front at the moment, leads him through the first furlong. And Like a Lot, the grey filly, the favourite on the outside, keen to go forward as well. These two then from Kimiko Glory, who races ahead of Raintown, the other grey, in the blue and yellow colours on the rail. Ludo's Landing next, followed by Charlie's Choice. And Ocean Heights is a neck down in last place as the runners a race away at a pace of 36 miles an hour. Decent gallop being set here by Finley Marsh on Vice President. He did a great job in the previous race on Villa Lobos, Finley, and he takes the field down past the mile start then by a length, then leading from the grey filly Like a Lot in second place. Bit of a dead heat for third. On the inside then is Raintown with Kimiko Glory on the outer, and then just behind them as the pace slows, just slackens a bit now. In fifth on the inside, Charlie's Choice. Ludo's Landing alongside. Looking on still is Ocean Heights. So they set off quite quickly, and they're just going a tad slower now as they move past the halfway point of this contest. Still out in front then, Vice President, as they move to the furthest point away from the grandstands. Ross Orion on board the grey filly Like a Lot, though, is only half a length down in second, followed by Raintown. Rob Hornby, the 6-time course winner, in third. Kimiko Glory and Hector Crouch on the outside in fourth. Just tucked in behind them, Charlie's Choice still going okay for Luke Morris, Ludo's Landing and Neil Callan, And then Ocean Heights and Jack Dace brings up the rear, about 6 lengths behind as they move down now towards the final 3 furlongs. You have to say that Like a Lot is moving like a favourite at the moment, and she goes on here. 2.5 furlongs left to cover, and Like a Lot has committed. Chasing now out of the pack is Kimiko Glory, who's up in trip today. Be a test of her stamina as they straighten up for the judge now. Like a Lot has a break of 3 lengths then, maybe 4 lengths now. Ludo's Landing's trying to stage a late rally together with Kimiko Glory, who's digging deep on the outside. Like a Lot, though, is committed, and she's got clear water between her and the 2 pursuers. Like a Lot. You've got to like her a lot. She's always consistent. Wins her 2nd race. Ross Orion at the double for Rafe Beckett here. Kimiko Glory, Ludo's Landing, Charlie's Choice, 2, 3 and 4.